Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're diving into the 2025 John Deere XTR 5000, a tractor that's designed for power, performance, and ultimate comfort. Let's break it down. Tractor details. First up, the 2025 John Deere XTR 5000 packs a robust 50 horsepower engine, making it a versatile machine for a range of tasks, from heavy-duty tilling to hauling. With its solid build and durable design, this model is made to handle both tough jobs and long workdays without breaking a sweat. Exterior. Looking at the exterior, the XTR 5000 features John Deere's signature green and yellow color scheme, looking sleek and modern. It's got large, rugged tires built for traction and stability, whether you're on muddy fields or rocky terrain. The reinforced frame ensures durability, while the powerful front loader and rear attachment points give you flexibility with your implements. Interior. Now, let's talk interior. The cabin of the XTR 5000 is surprisingly spacious, with an ergonomic design that ensures comfort during those long hours in the field. The adjustable seat and intuitive controls make operating this beast a breeze. Plus, it's equipped with climate control and a sound system, so you can work in comfort no matter the weather. Comfort level. The comfort level on this tractor is next level. The suspension system smooths out bumpy rides, and the cab is well insulated, keeping out noise and vibration. You can work for hours without feeling worn out, which is huge for anyone doing serious farm work. Performance. Performance-wise, the John Deere XTR 5000 really shines. Its 4WD system and impressive lift capacity make it a beast when it comes to tackling any task. Whether you're mowing, hauling, or plowing, you're getting a consistent and powerful performance every time. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the 2025 John Deere XTR 5000, a powerhouse of a tractor that combines durability, comfort, and performance all in one. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient machine to tackle your toughest farm tasks, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for tuning in, folks. See you in the next review.